Morning, everybody, from Grand Cayman. Maybe a little update on the hurricane that's passing us, Hurricane Delta. Right now it's overcast, some gusts of wind, rain. Not too bad at the moment. Currently it's just gusts of wind, rain. Trees are being blown by the wind. Not too bad. There's a lot of cars, which is a good sign. People are staying indoors, I guess. Not a lot of people are going to work today, I think, which is good. So it's not too bad today. There was some rain in the morning and last night. Our overall situation is bearable. We didn't lose power, which was good. They were saying that we might lose power last night, but we didn't. So that is good. There goes gust of wind. And you can see, looks like it's raining a lot over there to the north. Rain's starting to fall again. The update from now. It's been a not bad morning, but just want to keep you updated. So far, wind, rain, repeat, strong wind, overcast skies. I'll just keep you updated, guys. Mr. Cayman signing out. See you there.